Welcome in daily newspaper editorials IDEO program now headline lesson number 1 Times of India. The gig is growing, rights must not lag. The Economic Times. Now headline in detail. Lesson number 1 The Times of India Delhi verdict tells all parties urban voters want livable cities but local bodies are founded poorly and done worse. Last year, Supreme Court held up Delhi's government and its municipal corporation at least 4 times over peeling garbage on the five voters booted out the government. Pundits says that middle class swing that kneecapped Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi may have started with civic problems like garbage and broken roads. So parties that have promised Singapore's and Shanghai's and roads as smooth as an actress cheek in Patna for years should stop mistaking voters' patience for amnesia and start fixing city governance. Empowering India's municipal corporation would mean deepening their pockets. Certainly, according to an RBI report, their revenue receipts amount to just 0.6% of GDP. Property tax, the biggest municipal revenue stream, accounts for a fifth of this. Laws of revise like entertainment tax and Actoy after GST has left civic bodies at the mercy of state government and centre. In Delhi case, Aam Aadmi Party government claimed centre didn't allocate any funds to MCD even though it set aside 82,207 crore for local bodies in last year budget. As cities grow, so will their municipal financing needs, and bonds are the option worth considering now. US cities use them to raise funds regularly, and the country's municipal bond market to worth fortune. It helps that scores of US municipalities have AAA rating to tap markets. Indian cities would need to be more transparent about their account. Double-engined Delhi and Mumbai should start now. The gig is growing, rights must not lag. The Economic Time have a social security net to boost the sector. According the team, lease employment in India's gig economy is set to double in the next 5 years. This form of work difference from transition employment due to factors that make it difficult to ensure labor's rights. Regulating the platform worker market requires announced approach, one that avoids introducing rigidities while remaining inclusive. Rules must be tailored to address mobility, working conditions, social security, and bargaining power. Gig work must be classified as employment, followed by conditions that define it. India has taken the first step by incorporating platform work into a separate labor code and introduced measures to expand publicly funded social security for gig workers. This year budget announced that goal will provide health care benefits to gig workers under PM Jan Arogya Yojana. Private companies must follow for their their own benefit. Access to ensure is critical. Gig work often involves navigating busy and inconsistently regulated transportation infra. This challenge becomes even more pressing as the sector expands beyond large urban centers. Policy must also address the likely imbalance in bargaining power resulting from use of another critical factor is skilling. Without opportunity for growth, supply of labor for dead-end jobs may dwindle. Tech depression creates more pathways for individual advancement. The platform economic competes with traditional distribution channels and must cultivates its own talent pool. Thank you.